Hello Year 2 students, my name is Ella and we are at lesson 59 and today we are going shopping. But before we do, let's consider what we need for our lesson. We'll need our learning book and I hope last time you looked into your learning book you were able to see two different ways to make this amount of money. This was our worksheet from last lesson. So two different ways to make these amounts of money, and you can see we've got some very clever and accurate answers here for you to look at. So let's move on to today's lesson with a number talk. Now, what have we got here? We've got some two-digit numbers that we are adding together, and there's lots of different ways to think about this, but let's have a look at some number lines to help us put these two numbers together to get a total. So if I am looking at our first example, 41 add 26, I'm going to start with the biggest number first, which is 41 on our big open number line, knowing that the numbers on this side of our number line are smaller numbers and this side of the number line are larger numbers. Okay, so 41 and we're going to add 26. So let's add the 20 first. 20. So I'm going to add a 2 to our tens. So I end up with the answer of 61. 41 and 20 make 61. And then let's look at our ones. So our ones, we're adding another 6. Let's add another 6 to our 61. And we can add on to that. Or we can have a think about our number facts and our number sense. We know that 1 and 6, 1 more than 6 is 7. So our answer will be 67. Okay, right. Number lines are very useful, aren't they? They help us with lots and lots of things to do with numeracy. Our next number line, let's start with the biggest number, 59. 59 is a number very close to 60, isn't it? Let's have a think about what we're reasoning as well. This question is asking us 60, around 60, add 30. 60 plus 30, 6 plus 3. So I think my answer is going to be around that 90 mark. Let's have a look. So 59 add 30, and we know that 30 is made of 3 lots of 10. So let's do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3, add 10, 59, 69, add 10, 79, add 10, 89. Let's just make sure we've got our learning visible. We can see what we have been doing, and look at that, my friends. The answer is 89. Okay. Once again, let's use some number lines. Have a think about what that might look like. What is the answer around about going to be? Okay, and remember, we start with our biggest number. It's the most efficient way. So we start with 63 and we are adding 34. We're going to add our tens first, 2, 3, or a big jump of 30. Let's have a look. 63, 73, 83, 93. I've added the 3 tens. Let's have a look at the 4 ones. Add 4. Well, 93 and 4 more will give us 97. Powerful mathematicians, 97. So I think we're ready and warmed up to start thinking about our shops. So let's get going. So today's learning intention is to count collections of coins and notes to make a particular value. And we'll know we can do this when we have the correct amount of money to purchase or buy an item. And that's why we have some items from the shop. I think you can see the theme. We're getting ready for a party. So we've bought some things today so we can work on making these amounts of money. So the first thing I'd like to do is put them in order from cheapest to the most expensive. or from the least value to the most value that we have here in front of us. So where should we start? What is the cheapest item we have in front of us? The least value. Yes, we can recognize that $2 is the least value here. So we'll place that on our line here, $2. And the most expensive, the thing that's going to cost the most amount of money. 2, 3, 4, $7. These are the most expensive item. They're our invitation cards. So now that we've got our balloons as $2, our invitation cards as $7, let's place the rest in order. Our next amount will be, here are our choices, $3, $3.50 or $4.50. Okay, I hope you have an answer. Does it look like this? I hope it does. Now we have the correct order from the least value to the most value in our set of 5 items. Okay, so let's start with our $2 balloons. So if I were to buy the $2 balloons with the correct amount of money, I might use 2 $1 coins to buy my $2 balloons, or the most efficient way would be, the least amount of coins to use would be 1 $2 coin. Either of these will give me the exact amount for my $2 balloons. Okay, let's have a look at our next example. Some party hats for $3. Okay, let's think about 2 different ways we could make the $3. And once again, we'll think of 2 $1 coins and 2 50-cent coins will give me $1, $2, $3 to buy my party hats. But the most efficient way with the least amount of coins will be $2 and $1. $2 and $1, $3. So here are 2 different ways to buy my $3 party hats. Okay, let's keep going. What about my party blowers? They're great fun. They cost $3.50. So let's think of 2 different ways I can make $3.50. I think I'll use some 20-cent coins. 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that 5 20-cent coins make $1. $2, $3 and 50 cents. This is one way I could make $3.50. But the most efficient way with the least amount of coins, let's have a think about that. What might that look like? We only need 3 coins, don't we? We need a $2, $1, $3 and 50 cents. So 2 different ways to buy my party blowers. Okay, we're getting closer to the party, I think. Let's have a look at some happy birthday candles. These cost $4.50. I'm going to quickly find $4 in $1 coins, $4, and let's have a look at 50 cents if I only had 10-cent coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $4.50. And my clever little mathematicians, how many coins do I need for the most efficient way to find $4.50? What is your answer? Mine is 3 coins, and they are $2 $2.50. Two different ways to make $4.50. Great listening. Let's move to the last one, which is, what would a party be without party invitations? Our invitations cost $7, and I am going to use some $2 coins. How many? I'll use 2, 4, 6, $6, $7. We'll make $7 in coins, or the most efficient way, here's your thinking time. Yes, I can go to notes. I might have a $5 note and a $2 coin. The most efficient way of making $7. Great listening, and thank you for staying with me to have a think about how we buy things at the shops with the correct amount of money. So today your learning task is to make your own shop, and that's great fun. Now you might make it, you might have some things that you can put price tags on, or you might draw it in your learning book. You'll need to put some price tags on things so that we can practice using the exact amount or the correct amount when we buy these items. When you make your price tags, don't forget, please, that we have some money symbols. So if you're writing in cents, you'll need the symbol of cents. And if you are showing dollars, you'll need a dollar sign and maybe a decimal point if you're using dollars and cents. So enjoy making all your shops and enjoy working out what money you need when you buy these with the exact amount of money. Enjoy your learning, and I will see you next lesson. Bye for now.